Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of I Am TeeJaay. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Today I'm going to bring you guys a short video of a haul that I did at Target in their bullseye section. I want to show you this little quick, cute fall decor that I'm doing on my dining room table. So let's just jump right in. This welcome sign I purchased from, again, Target. It was $5. These two beautiful ceramic pumpkins, they were $3 a piece. They are very, very cute. They were only $3. I really love everything about them. This little planter right here was also $3. It's not ceramic, it's plastic. And then I picked up these two pumpkin-shaped wired rose gold bins. I only used I only used one in this video, but I did pick up two, and these were $5 a piece. So let's quickly jump into how I put together a very cute centerpiece using these items that I purchased from Target. So that's it for my quick video, you guys. Thank you so much for joining in and tuning in. I hope you enjoyed my quick haul and my quick little fall dining room decor featuring Target's bullseye section. If you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel once again. Give me a thumbs up. I will see you beautiful people on my next video. Bye.